Swipe is a stage where organizations can especially make marked virtual or actual cards for their clients for exchanges universally. Clients can rapidly generally send off their program with banking accomplices. Swipe will basically deal with the administration issue, consistence, and organization financial matters. Swipe tokens by and large interface with significant installment frameworks worldwide and assist organizations with changing their digital money over completely to stable coins or fiat-financed cards quickly. Swipe card empowers admittance to the expert card, Google Pay, Apple Pay, and some more. It has a decentralized, Swipe network-empowered, cross-chain convention on finance brilliant chain and Ethereum in an unobtrusive manner. Swipe was established by Joselito Lizarrando in 2018 with a mean to make crypto interoperability with customary money, and it was subsequently obtained by Binance in 2020. Swipe certainly has essentially three parts, right off the bat. The exceptionally primary organization which creates charge cards, Swipe programming interface, Swipe trade, and so forth. Furthermore, Binance, the exceptionally principal partners cooperated to bring improvements basically. Swipe environment, which incorporates decentralized applications, local area, and ultimately its clients. Interesting elements of Swipe coin. The SXP token is the genuinely local digital currency of Swipe. It controls a SXP environment and oversees the decentralized convention in a significant manner. According to the Swipe token Financial Matters, the complete circling supply diminishes when the organization essentially is more used, which is genuinely huge. Swipe wallet can be utilized for installment for every one of the administrations given by Swipe, making recommendations and deciding in favor of convention changes. Clients can pay north of 60 million shippers kind of overall and use to partake in liquidity mining programs. Market feelings and cost of Swipe coin in an unobtrusive manner. The ongoing cost at which Swipe exchanges the market is around 29 cents, with an exchanging volume of $22,297,704. The greatest cost at which Swipe exchanged especially was $5.86 on May 3, 2021, while the base cost was 16 cents, which generally was in 2020, which for the most part is very huge. Specialized examination shows that Swipe's cost today is exchanging bullishly. The ongoing cost of the Swipe coin really is around 29 cents. In every practical sense. Next quick obstruction level is 23 cents. In the event that it breaks the level, it will hit an opposition level of 38 cents. The significant obstruction obstacle for the year is 50 cents, as opposed to mainstream thinking. Momentary specialized investigation shows that Swipe digital currency needs to break the 50 cents obstruction level to carry sort of certain opinion to the SXP market. The cost of Swipe is moving over its 20 AMA and 50 AMA and underneath its 200 AMA. The trepidation and eagerness record is set at 4, and that implies the Swipe cost could move toward any path. Digital money devotees don't know about the Swipe risk in a significant way. The MACD line might cross the sign line in the impending meetings with enough solidarity to climb. Relative list strength is put at 77, which is in the overbought zone. Quick help is put at 19 cents, and significant help levels generally are 15 cents and 10 cents. At this point, specialized examination especially isn't showing a breakdown underneath the significant help zone, and to transcend opposition levels can take Swipe into an in every way that really matters, higher worth zone. The Swipe figure by Wallet Financial Backer demonstrates that the token is a genuinely terrible long-haul speculation decision. In view of the examination, the cost might reach 2 cents in 2024. In view of the examination by value expectation, the Swipe token won't be a productive resource for the truly present moment. As per the previous value developments and information, the greatest cost level for 2024 can be around $2.99 with a base cost and the typical cost of $2.42 and $2.51. Swipe Value Forecast 2023. SXP cost forecast shows that the future cost of SXP during the underlying months will exchange at a greatest scope of 60 cents to 20 cents with a typical cost of 45 cents. According to the estimate, the SXP cost is positive for the year. On the off chance that the cryptographic money market is bullish, Swipe can break the greatest cost around the same time. Swipe Value Expectation 2024. The cost of SXP is bullish and explicitly is supposed to really be around 75 cents. Numerous dealers might acquire cash assuming they contribute in a calculated way, and our SXP really token gauges show that the cost will not go underneath 50 cents, which will be the least cost of the coin in 2024. SXP Value Figure 2025. Huge turns of events and acknowledgement of Swipe are supposed to occur incredibly in a real sense. The coin will make a tremendous spike, prompting an expansion in SXP cost, or so they thought. Our gauges show that it will cross the $1 mark in the future toward the finish of 2025, which is genuinely critical. Long-haul financial backers might search for a decent chance for long-haul speculation, which is very huge. SXP Value Forecast 2026. Specialized arrangement shows the cost of SXP could go to a bull most certainly run in the close to time. Swipe coin is supposed to exchange at a degree of $1.15 minus $1.30 constantly Zen. Swipe has a buy and large long-haul procuring potential. It deals with quality upgrades to offer sort of better support and benefits for all the stage clients. Swipe, according to the genuinely current valuation, fundamentally is underestimated and will have a decent climb as long as possible. Swipe Value Forecast 2027, or so they thought. The SXP gauge recommends that the cost could be around $1.20 at the outset. The typical value reach may for the most part be around $1.35. The genuinely greatest cost for the year-end is anticipated to explicitly be around $1.50. The coin cost isn't supposed to increment definitely in that frame of mind according to the estimate. Swipe Value Forecast 2028. What's in store costs of the essentially token are anticipated to be bullish in an unpretentious manner. Toward the finish of 2028, the exceptionally least cost can be $1.40, while the cost can arrive at a most extreme worth of $1.70. The typical exchanging cost for the year could especially be $1.55. Swipe Value Forecast 2029. The SXP cost expectation for 2029 truly is bullish. In light of the figures, the base cost might be around $2, including the especially greatest cost of $2.20, and the very normal cost will be $2.10. Swipe Value Forecast 2030. As indicated by our SXP cost expectation, the coin is supposed to have a greatest cost of $3.10 with a base cost of $2.80. Simultaneously, the sort of typical cost of the essentially token might be around $2.95 all year long, which is very critical. Is Swipe a wise speculation? Indeed, Swipe, all things considered, is a beneficial venture choice according to our cost forecast. Progressing improvements and their solid potential in the crypto space and blockchain industry show that SXP will have a cost ascend from now on, which is very huge. According to current information, it is viewed as a wise speculation. Virtual monetary standards have a capriciousness over government-issued types of money. Own examination and appropriate speculation exhortation are required prior to financial planning for beneficial venture. Where could I at any point purchase Swipe? Amazingly, SXP is accessible in all very significant cryptographic money trades genuinely around the world. Some of them incorporate Binance, Upbit, Bittrex, FTX, Poloniex, Bitmart, KuCoin, and Gate.io. Will Swipe go up? Indeed, the Swipe cost will go up according to our Swipe cost expectation. Over the long haul, it will give great revisitations of the individuals who trust the coin. Continuously 2026, the greatest worth of the coin is supposed to for the most part be around $1.30, while for the year 2030, the worth will shoot up to $3.10 roughly. While putting resources into SXP, the financial backer must fundamentally recollect that persistence is the key, since the mint piece will be unable to give gigantic benefits for the time being, nevertheless will turn productive over the long haul. What is Swipe cost expectation 2030?